Please welcome Dr. Alex Valatka and Dr. Alan Friedman.
Good afternoon. I'm delighted to introduce someone who has been an acquaintance for many years and has recently become a very close friend. Rocco Armonda is a proud West Point alumnus who pioneered the use of catheter angiography in the field during the conflict in Iraq. This seminal work demonstrated the previously unrecognized relationship between blast injury and delayed cerebral vasospasm. Rocco retired from the U.S. Army at the rank of full colonel after 31 years of service to our country. He joined the faculty at Georgetown, where his practice is based at the Washington Hospital Center. After Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine in February 2022, Rocco established a relationship with Dr. Andrei Sirko and his colleagues at Mechnikov Hospital in Dnipro, which is in southeast Ukraine, about 100 kilometers from the front. Rocco is a frequent visitor there. Just as important is his incredible ability to obtain large amounts of much-needed medical supplies. Every month or two, at his own expense, he rents a van or small truck and drives many containers of equipment to the Ukrainian support organization Razom in New York City, which then sends them on to Ukraine. I took these pictures less than a month ago, which show the team at Mechnikov sorting Rocco supplies into bins for endovascular, open neurosurgical, and ICU care. He has delivered supplies for many other specialties as well. I've seen firsthand how these supplies directly save lives and improve outcomes in civilians and military personnel alike who've been injured by Russian attacks. Rocco's appeals to the Ukrainian government led to a much-needed upgrade of Mechnikov's neurointerventional capabilities, which have become an essential component for state-of-the-art management of penetrating TBI. Rocco is, in my opinion, our most passionate and articulate advocate for providing the best possible medical treatment to Ukraine's combat casualties. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to introduce this year's recipient of the AANS Humanitarian Award, Dr. Rocco Armonda.
I always thought that I would be introducing David Hassan as a scholar of cerebral vascular surgery with a thick CV and a penchant for research. That's until October 7th, 2023. Deeply moved by the human suffering he saw on the web and social media, he and 6 other physicians entered Gaza to provide medical care in the hospital at Khan Younis. He treated severely injured children and adults under extraordinary conditions, serenaded by a symphony of exploding bombs. What started with Dr. Hassan going on a medical mission became so much more. Dr. Hassan marshaled organizations to provide thousands of pounds of food, baby formula, and personal hygiene products, along with other essentials, for dispossessed Palestinians. Trying to bridge the divide, he toured the site of the heinous October 7th attack on Israel, and in a prominent interview in a popular Israeli newspaper, he aroused the sympathy in Israel with its description of the living conditions of the Palestinians in Gaza. More recently, he has focused on the support of a children's village in northern Gaza to provide shelter, medical care, and education for children orphaned or wounded in this conflict. David Hassan stands among the tallest. He is one of the great givers of the world. and he has embraced his position as his brother's keeper. As a neurosurgeon, he has shown our specialty in its best light, and I am very proud to call him my partner and my friend. David?
By sincerely thanking the leadership of the AANS for this incredible honor and privilege. I'm deeply grateful to Dr. Friedman, who became a true father figure during my time volunteering in Gaza. Every day, he called my family to ensure they were safe and supported. That kindness will stay with me forever. My thanks also to Dr. Al-Mefti, Dr. Marcos, and other neurosurgeons amongst you for their bold leadership. Their efforts helped sustain neurosurgery in Gaza in the harshest condition. To my wife and my daughter, thank you for your love and sacrifice. When I entered Gaza during Christmas of 2023, the first physician to do so during the conflict, we knew the risks. It was a heavy decision, and your strength carried me through. This award belongs to the physicians and healthcare providers in Gaza, those still serving and those who we've lost. Their courage in the face of relentless bombardment is humbling. We cannot turn away from the horror of October 7th or the devastation that has followed in Gaza. Innocent lives, Israeli and Palestinian, are lost and continue to be lost. And yet, as a one surgeon, I saw how much impact we can have. I met with leaders from around the globe, including the Israelis. We, as neurosurgeons, have a powerful voice. Let's use it. Let us stand united and in one voice condemn the killing of all innocent civilians in all its forms. Let's call for all the immediate and unconditional release of the hostages, an end to the fight in Gaza, unrestricted access to humanitarian aid, and enduring peace that is just for both people. And let's do and call for a genuine end to anti-Semitism and Islamophobia. Thank you for this honor.
First off, would like to thank my family, Heidi, my wife, who's in the audience. After 31 years in the military, seeing me go off to Iraq into a combat zone and then return to Ukraine on 3 separate missions, it is no small price to pay for the family. But it's a small price compared to the many families who are at risk in Ukraine and to the surgeons who serve on a daily basis. They are an unconquerable people. They will not surrender. They will never give up. And it is our job, our duty as Americans, as lovers of freedom, to uphold their freedom in any way possible, be it material, be it in person, and be it through advocacy. I am humbled by their example, and their example is what humanitarianism is all about. Thank you very much.